It's the second part of a video. This day was very nice. Oh, we arrived to the second floor. And it was a little top roof mezzanine. I just wanted to make all lifts for YouTube. As you see, the escalators are demolished. This is so bad. It's not really that kind of interesting. I can't believe the escalators are demolished. Okay. After 2 charts later, and after my Roblox brother got up the stairs to the 3rd floor. And I was passing through the 2nd floor. And this is a room that I didn't know about. And it has a very nice weird TV. And it has some lighting colored square for dancing. Anyway, so here I got some snacks. So for drink I got a Coca-Cola and my Roblox brother got a Mountain Dew. Hey, Rayleigh stole my hamburger. As you see, I'm eating the cheeseburger. Okay, so I got my drink is a Coca-Cola.
Can I have cheeseburger? Cheeseburger. Can I have cheeseburger, please? Cheeseburger.
And that is a Coca-Cola.
Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
Oh, that food was delicious. Oh, this is so cool. And this is the link. So that's what my Roblox brother got, a Mountain Dew. We were drinking together our drinks, and this is so fun.
Can I have cheeseburger, please? Can I have cheeseburger, please?
Look at how we're doing it together. I'm just okay that my constipation is finally gone. Oh, I was just drinking my Coca-Cola. My Roblox brother was drinking his Mountain Dew. So we now left some of our drink. So I hope I could add a vending machine on my game so we can get some snacks. So, and I'll also make a cafe. So so that I am in the 4th floor. I just rather a lift to the 4th floor. And now, that is a kind of strange wheelchair lift. And there is a lift. It goes up to the 5th floor.
Cheeseburger.
Ha! The sound of cheeseburgers is so funny. It is very kind of funny. That sound was very kind of funny. When this lift glitched, I pressed the stop button and I went it down to 1 again. Ha 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 ha. Lift glitch, I pressed stop and the lift went in down to 1 again. It's a kind of nice lift.
Cheeseburger, please. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburgers. This is so funny. Oh. So I took some stairs to go to the 5th floor. I didn't know what was those two computer players. Oh. So I went down that stairs again to the 4th floor. I jump off the edge into the 3rd floor. Look at how this press the lifts to get up here to the 3rd floor are broken. So to go down we needed to take the stairs. Hey, the elevator bill, please. I don't know what is this. Oh. Time to get down to the 1st floor and write some more lifts, some interesting lifts around here. I have some time to continue to record the video. Cheeseburgers. That was a very kind of funny sound. Here's how the 2nd floor looks like. It is a type of street that very breathless.
Can I have cheeseburger, please? Cheeseburger, please? Cheeseburger.
I hope if I could set a Madam Murphy t-shirt on Roblox.
Can I have cheeseburger, please? Can I have cheeseburger, please?
Man, they are known. Oh, this is so weird. But it isn't sorted. Oh, this is so weird. Sorry that I just burped. Oh, don't care. This is just a random moment to burp.
Can I have cheeseburger? Cheeseburger.
Don't know the amount of Murphy t-shirts in in Roblox. Oh no! Oh! There's a Milo t-shirt on Roblox, but it costs 5 Robux. How did I not going to get Robux to get a Milo Murphy's sweater vest? This is so weird. But I don't have any Robux, and I wanted to dress up as Milo Murphy. Because Milo Murphy is one of my favorite characters. And I really like that show. And I just wanted some Milo Murphy and Roblox. Oh, this is so weird. Let's search in games. If there used to be some Milo Murphy games in Roblox. I don't know. So let's search for Milo.
Cheeseburger. Can I have cheeseburger, please? Can I have cheeseburger, please?
Oh, that means that I'm getting off Roblox at this time. If there was some Milo Murphy games in Roblox, I don't know.
Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
Hey!
Can I have cheeseburger, please? Cheeseburger.
But it's closed at
cheeseburger.
this time. This is so weird. So that is the end of the tour. Thanks for watching.